Shall we start? Good morning, everyone. Oh, good evening, everyone. Uh, Today, I am going to share my views on about my presentation. It is a do not take any tension. So you also know that everyone take tension in their life. So it is wrong, and he they take tension in a quick time. मतलब currently in a quick time, but he did not know but he don't know what I do, then what I am doing, है ना? And uh, after that uh, after that they forget the situation. It is case increasing the accident. I am giving the example. Every mother taking the tension in their home, like that the mother is watching the serial. The serial name is Saath Nibhana Satya. So the mother watching that serial and see the any character, and after the serial will be finished, she thinking that what he will do tomorrow. He have a tension in their mind. So this kind of things is going on. Everyone take tension, but it is wrong to take tension. It disturb our mind every time. So I am giving advice to not take any tension in the any situation. So it will increase our accident cases, and it will head wrong in your life. And I'm giving the example that the case is increasing. Many student have a fear in their mind that I will never I will never get a good mark in our life, that I will not do anything, that I will not uh, become independent. And so you have to think only once time, that I will do this, that I will do that. So after the children have a fear that got a bad mark. So in the beginning you have to I am giving the exact advice. In the beginning you have to learn properly. The teacher also gave the right advice and right knowledge. Why you are going to the schools? You are going to the schools to get the knowledge proper. And even the interview also, they ask the many question. If you in the beginning, if you not learn the anything, so you can't success in their life. So success is the first main in your life. uh, Without the success you can't nobody will respect you. You have to think about in the beginning, and learn something from the teachers, from the parents, from the neighbors, and from the relatives. Because they in their world there are many peoples to attract you, and give the advice that give the advice you can do this. So this all of this kind so all kind of this, they do not want, even that relatives, they do not want to get they do not want to they do not want to success in your life, and you have to become a poor person, the relatives thought. But you live alone and live separate. You not focus on the views of relatives. You have to focus on your career, and live alone to is the best thing to explain that who I am. It is the best thing to live alone. And the many peoples attract you to join in the bad company is a bad thing to join. Everyone has same mind, but no but even a single person not use in a proper sense, and not use in a right situation. Because the behavior is going on in the atmosphere or the environment. it is people mind to where go and where do and what do. So I am giving advice to live alone, and it is the best thing to become success in your life. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Clap for him. Good clap.